Have used this particular, it's Bodum French press. One time I have used it, and it's still workable. This is going to be my second time using it, but I noticed it yesterday. I noticed yesterday that that little black piece there had broken. So it's supposed to be at the top. And as you can see, it's cracked in there already. And it's cracked on the top. I have been using French presses for years, so I know how to use it. It's just really cheaply made. It's very flimsy plastic. And it's just not even worth the money. And to be honest, I'm not going to even send it back. It was, I think, 20 bucks, which is actually, I think that that's pretty average for a French press. This is more of a bigger one, but I think the most that I've paid for a French press was maybe 30 bucks. So it was $20, and it's very cheaply made, very cheap plastic, and it's already broken after one use. So it's not even worth me sending it back, because I don't want to waste my gas to go all the way up and package it, take it to Amazon Fresh, all of that stuff. I just will not be purchasing their products again, and certainly doing this review. Not worth the money.
As you can see, this came with all 3 parts. It's a little dirty right now. I just used it. You've got a 3-part system here, with the top piece being a strainer. Then you have a mesh liner in between, and the base is a kind of metal frame. You can put the 3 together and take them apart and wash them. There's like a grid here on the front so that you can pour the French press out. No grounds ever get through for me, and then I actually just rinse it at the end. This piece, the handle and the base, don't separate from the glass, so I can put it all in together in the dishwasher and wash it periodically, but I mostly just hand wash. Whenever you're ready to brew, you press down and then you pour. This is a great product. I would definitely say the Bodum French press is the best one I've ever had. Most sturdy, the glass is the thickest, so I like it the best. It's great.
So it's pretty good, but the one thing that's annoying is that when you put in the top, you do have to make sure that you're lining that notch up with a handle, or else it doesn't go in. I prefer my Mr. Coffee Bodum or Mr. Coffee French press better than the Bodum brand. This one feels a little bit cheaper than the Mr. Coffee brand. I'm afraid I'm going to break it. So it's good, but if I could have gone back to my Mr. Coffee French press, I would have. I wish I still made it.
Okay, it's just a bad design. Okay, now you can send it. You'll give them good feedback because people watch these things. I do.